And to go, I need to catch a bus. Time to catch a FlixBus. You can find really cheap bus tickets, but I hate driving with a bus. Head feels sick. Ancona, it's pretty beautiful town. I'm surprised. Here we go. Train for 1.5 euro. Hey, this view looks from like Assassin's Creed. It's my first time ever. OMG. Oh. Let's explore this beautiful place. There is another tower there. Holy shit. Free water, amazing views. I love Italy. I'm getting more and more comfortable in front of the camera. Holy mo! My friend from Vieste, she messaged me and I have recommendation. That's it. 7 euro for this. It's huge. In this view, I'm in heaven. Whoa. Due to focaccia. My heart is beating really fast. You probably see why with the first footage from Florence. I think that's the most beautiful footage so far that I recorded. Drone filming, love my DJI Mini 2. I lost signal flying next to this main cathedral. Nice river, but I don't think I should swim here. Flippin' heck, Florence. Don't look right, it's so beautiful. No words, what is this place? This is mind-blowing. I understand the hype about Florence, 100%. This is going to be my picnic. Something like that. Volkswagen T-Series. So my camper van, it's a perfect size. Restaurants in this place. On my way to Lidl. Beans. I want to go to store when I'm not hungry. I don't know if this is a good idea. So, this is really close of buying like a cheap wine. For myself, and I saw too many lives destroyed by alcohol, so that's why I'm scared of this substance. Even a compound effect, 2 euro for this, grand drink, compound effect, you could go for a nice holiday. Spent here like 2 hours sitting and listening to them. Wow. I think I'm gonna go to McDonald's and edit. Filet of fish, double chicken, but the power sockets don't work here. And you cannot really charge your phone. I'm just gonna go to sleep. Cathedral, I found a bed in a random park in Florence. See you tomorrow, bye.